Welcome to Bite Bite Time.
Let's make a rainbow, rainbow bright. Colors in order just right. Blue in hand, the paper's white. Let's build a rainbow side by side. Red goes first, red goes first. Stick it down, stick it down. Press, press, smooth, smooth. Red goes first in our rainbow crown. Orange next, under red. Stick, stick, press, press. Orange in the rainbow thread. Yellow, yellow, sunny and light. Stick it down, make it right. Blue, blue, press, press. Yellow shines so warm and bright. Green, green, grassy green. Slide it in nice and clean. Stick, press, smooth it too. Green looks perfect under blue. Blue, blue, sky so wide. Stick it down with careful pride. Pat, press, smooth again. Rainbow's almost at the end. Purple, purple, elastic go. Stick it low and make it go. Press it down, smooth it right. Now our rainbow's quite the sight. Red, orange, yellow, green and blue. Purple too, hooray for you. We made a rainbow row by row. Colors shine and now we know.